If you're not ready for one of the biggest bull markets that this world has ever seen, let alone just the cryptocurrency industry, we could be gearing up to see massive gains across the crypto space. And I'm going to be talking about a token in this video that I think can do extremely well. But first we got to go over the news. And the news right now is bullish, 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 bullish. I don't care what you look at. Everything is bullish news for the cryptocurrency space, which is why I can't wrap my head around why retail doesn't understand that. Let's go over some of the headlines. Let's go over this token that I think could do extremely well. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got crypto news on the screen right now. Now let's discuss this. Crypto news, look at these headlines. Spot Ethereum ETFs get final sign-off to begin trading Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Ethereum ETFs approved by the SEC, bringing popular funds to the second largest crypto. US Spot Ether ETF makes market debut in another win for the crypto industry. Is Trump right to worry about China taking over crypto? Maybe. Are you ready? Elon Musk fans wild rumors that Donald Trump will create a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve. Guys, these first three headlines here indicate that institutional investors are going to continue pouring into the cryptocurrency space. And now we have a foundation. Retail's still sleeping. Okay, you're here, but retail's still sleeping, and you can see that. If you don't believe me because you're here and you think everybody else is here too, no, look at the retail search volume out on Google. Retail's gone, guys. This is 2021's peak. Retail is down here at a level of 3 to 5 right now, when they were at a level of 100 back in 2021. That means that there is just a fraction, roughly 3 to 5% of the total views, total searches for cryptocurrency that we were seeing back in 2021. Retail's sleeping. Don't think that they're anywhere to be found. Is Trump right to worry about China taking over crypto? Well, I don't think so. I don't think China's going to take over crypto, but I do think if the United States sets aside, the rest of the world will overtake the U.S. in terms of crypto adoption. Are you ready? Now, this is a rumor at the moment, but what this signifies is that the United States is gearing up. We are going in a direction that says we are going to embrace cryptocurrency like the world has never seen before. And when, not if that happens, get it through your head, when that happens, you are going to see just astronomical increase in price. Now, you're here. I don't know if you're invested or not, but you're here. And if you want to invest or diversify your portfolio into some of these tiny little meme coins out there, this is an excellent one. Guys, this is going to be launching. They've already got a launch date, right? This is going to be launching on September 10th of 2024. It's going to be launching just prior to major election decisions coming up here in the United States that could potentially drive crypto prices to the moon, like a lot of people say. You also have a chance to win a 25% bonus. Now, if you find yourself interested in buying meme games, you've got a link down in the description. You've got a link in the pinned comments. Make sure to check those out. But these guys have only done $229,000 in sales so far, an extremely low amount, which means that any additional inflows, they will be coming, can drive huge price gains and huge price swings to the upside. Now, let's say you want to buy one Ethereum worth. You're going to be walking away with 373,615 meme games. Now, all you got to do is click Connect Wallet, and then from there, I like to use Wallet Connect, but you guys can go through any of these down here and figure out how you want to connect your wallet and so on. Once you do, let's talk about what you're getting into, but before, 2 days and 18 hours until the next price increase, so please keep that in mind. This token is going to be going up in value. You've got your choice, right? You've got Dogecoin here, the OG, representing the USA. You got Pepe over here. You've got Brett. You've got Turbo. You've got Whiff. All of these guys competing for meme coin king, meme coin just dominance in this realm. I think it's awesome. Now, one of the cool ways, play to win. Play to win a 25% bonus on a daily basis. All you got to do is buy meme games to enter your competitor. Select the meme athlete that you want to compete between one of these 5 right here. And then watch and win. If your athlete wins its meme games event, you'll earn a 25% bonus on your token purchase. And you can play as many times as you want and increase your chances of winning. Guys, you can see here that Pepe has 37 wins, Doge has 27 wins, Whiff has 13, Brett has 11, and Turbo has 10. Pepe is a clear front runner at the moment. And Pepe has been leading that winner or the leaderboard there for quite some time. So use that however you wish. Use that information however you wish. Just know that if you come down here to the frequently asked questions, you can see, where's it at? Okay, right here. How do I win the bonuses? The chance is random each time, and it's verified by blockchain technology. So do know that even though Pepe has come out on top more often than the other tokens on there, the chances are random. A breakdown of the tokenomics show 38% of the tokens to the pre-sale, 10% to staking, 17.7% to project funds, 9.3% to the game winnings, 10% to liquidity, and 15% to marketing. Guys, these guys are building an awesome meme coin community that really focuses on all of the major meme coins that are already in existence. I think it's an excellent way to rally people around these memes. I think it's an excellent way to get people excited about playing these games and winning additional tokens. And I think that these guys already having the ability to hit a 25% bonus and the fact that they've got a launch date slated really goes to show that they're being transparent and they're getting ready to launch one of the best meme coins that I've seen in quite some time. I want to know what you guys think about them down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.